Right then, no messing about. Mega fast sound check. No messing around at all. Get those faders up. You are going to be so fast, you're going to think that you are well special. Sound check 3. Kick drum, please. Kick, go, fast. Snap. No messing around. Nice and quick. HBF was in. Hat. Phantom. High pass filter. There it is. Set. Rack. Cool, look, he's even faster than the guy that's calling the sound check. Isn't he really quite good? That's what you do, you anticipate. Floor. You do things before they've happened. It's like you can see into the future. Ride. Getting that stuff up. Ride. We are not doing the ride. Fine. Bass. Again, do things as fast as you can. So quick. So good. Yeah. Stage right guitar. Has he got the HBF in yet? I don't know if he has. Ooh, bit of a fail. Look at him there, he's doing the opposite whilst the guitar's playing. Is that good? Is that fast? Yeah. Stage, left guitar. Look at those stupid headphones that he has on. Look at him canter around like a ballet dancer. Stage right vocal. Down, hit it. Go up to the top. Hit the next thing, turn it. Vibes. Yeah. Other vocal. Lick my wounds with salty tongues. Ooh, baby, I'm too young. Lick my look at those glasses, they look really cheap. Yeah, well, actually, fine. To be honest, they cost. Can you give me a quick half song just so we can check what your monitors are like? The glasses cost £27 from a shop on East Street in Bristol in Bedminster. There you go, get the snare verb going. One or two adjustments.
Vocal slightly less than mine, please. My vocal up in mine. A little bit, please. Sorry, you want your set vocal, yeah? Yeah, please, yeah. Yeah, just up a bit. Can I get a little bit more drums? A little bit more drums, yeah. In this one, yeah. A bit more stage right vocal, yeah, no problem. Okay, just give me a second to do that.
Pint in hand. Look at him, the dirty alky. Thinks he's quite clever and special, doesn't he? Shows you that pint whilst we're trying to rise to the sound. How dare he? Matthew, I told you before, concentrate. Chris Houghton does look like a duck.
only then, wasn't he? Brings it all down, no messing around. Walk away like a bro. Yeah.